Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be cooking corn on the cob. There are different methods to cook corn, but today I'm going to be doing the boiling method. And for all those who have subscribed, thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed, kindly press the subscribe button and the notification button so you know whenever I post a new video. Like, share, comment, and leave us a thumbs up. Thank you. So today I'm going to be cooking corn. I already started taking off the wraps. I'm going to put the corn here and I'm going to rinse them out. So guys, I put the water. I'm just going to rinse it out. Just want to rinse it out and lay it on the plate there. Which I love singing. Welcome back. Now the water is already boiling. You don't have to wait till the water boils, but because I was washing it and it didn't take time before the water boiled, so I'm just gonna take the cover off and put the corn. Just put them. It don't matter how you put them. It doesn't have to be in a certain way. Just put all the corn in. There they go. And the water doesn't have to cover like everything. Sorry, my voice really sounds a bit husky. It's because I'm just recovering from a cold. I had a bad cold. Now you stayed out here on the feet. Oh boy. Okay, now. Whatever. I think we have 2 minutes. I'm just going to break this in half just because I'm filming with one hand. So I'm just going to cut that and put that. Still gonna cook. There you go. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see what we got there. Welcome back, guys. So it's been cooking for 10 minutes. It doesn't have to stay that long. I was really held up doing something. So let's see. You see the ones at the top even. It's done. I'm going to strain the water out and then I'll show you like 7 suggestions. You can have it with canned peppers, you can have it with butter. It all depends on you. Now that's a corn. I just picked out 3 from the corn that we had cooked earlier. So I'm gonna butter. I want to butter just like butter it with as much butter as I am using. So I've got cayenne pepper here. I'm just gonna like sprinkle a little all over. It's optional, you know. But for me, I find cayenne pepper is not as hot as other pepper, like Cameroon pepper or the ones that we have back home in Nigeria. Okay. Ooh, that was a lot. That was a lot. I'm gonna eat that one. Well, now we're done with that. You could garnish it with whatever you want. You could have it with just butter, maybe for kids or adults that don't like pepper. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly like, share, subscribe, and leave me a message if you stayed till this moment watching this video. Thank you. God bless and see you next time. Bye.